This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the Tether app or logging into the Hotspots admin page. This gives you direct access to settings. Use the device on the same Wi-Fi or connected via USB so the interface appears. Enter the admin username and current password. This authenticates you and unlocks network controls. Once logged in, navigate to the Wi-Fi or hotspot section. That is where SSID and password fields live. Make sure to keep your current credentials available in case you need to re-authenticate. Once in the Wi-Fi or hotspot settings, locate the password or passphrase field. This is often under security options. You'll want to select a secure encryption mode such as WPA2 or WPA3 if the device offers it, because encryption type affects network safety. Type your new password. Use at least 12 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols to resist guessing. After entering the new value, double-check for typos and confirm any repeated password field so the device saves exactly what you intend. Save or apply the changes, and if prompted, reboot the hotspot so the new credentials take effect. Rebooting clears cached sessions. Then reconnect each device using the updated password and remove or forget the old network on devices to avoid automatic reconnection attempts. If a device cannot join, make sure you selected a compatible encryption mode and retype the password carefully. Mistyped characters are the most common issue. If problems persist, reboot your client device and hotspot, or temporarily set the password to a simpler test string to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.